lovely, aren't we? Alright, so the outstanding achievement speech. Are we here? This one goes to Kolawole Gane Kale. So Kola's going to win the award of some Austrian audio headphones and a Synchro Arts license. So this prize is awarded to Kola, who makes a huge impression on everyone that he meets. But it was his research that really stood out. Coming from West Africa, Nigeria, that's not the reason. His formative musical experiences were forged with the Jùjú music scene, a genre underexplored in academia. In both musicological and practice-based explorations, there was really nothing out there. His lived experience of Jùjú music and culture and his innate musical sensibility make him the ideal person to explore this work. But it's his enthusiasm and dedication that made him a truly outstanding student. And it's not just us here at ICMP who recognise Kola's work as highly original and exciting. His master's research was published in this year's Audio Engineering Society convention in New York. There's more. There is more. He's currently continuing this research at PhD level at the University of New York. We are so proud of you, Kola.
Congratulations. We really do have some excellent people, don't we, here? In the suits and in the staff too. I want to introduce a lovely man that we